Are you struggling to get your emails noticed? You're not alone. Many face the challenge of low email deliverability. Imagine automating the warm-up of your email accounts effortlessly. With Mailivery and Woodpecker, it's your ultimate solution. Send gradually increasing warm-up emails, reaching a max of 50 daily. Experience a reply rate of up to 55%. This integration is simple to set up and affordable. Activate warm-up for just 5 months per email account. Plus, you'll save time and improve trust with email providers. Don't let your emails land in spam. Take action now. Activate Mailivery today and enhance your email performance.